Things you didn't know using the dictation tool. Do you find typing terribly time consuming and want an alternative that allows you to get your work done without being cumbersome or overwhelming? I got a great trick to help you save some time. Do all of your typing using dictation. To start this process, first you need to insert a text box or make sure that typing is activated in your slide or Word document. So I'm going to start by inserting a text box right here. Now, while your cursive is active in the text box, from the Home tab, go to this Dictate button right here. You can select the English that you're dictating in. Default is already set to United States English. So all I need to do is select this button here, Dictate. Now, everything I say, comma, will turn into text directly on my screen, period. All I need to do, comma, is dictate my text with my punctuation, and it will format it into beautiful sentences with very little work on my part, period. There you have it, folks. Use Dictate to save time typing and spend that time doing something way more fun. Have a great day! Exclamation point.